everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing so much good and I'm once again back with another new video. So without wasting any time, now let's move on to the video. First of all, let me tell you guys, today's video is about essential makeup products which I used to keep in my this makeup kit. So one by one I am going to tell about those products and the prices. And one more thing that is much important for you all guys, I have all the products which are of minimal cost and those are so affordable products. Even you can buy those products. All the products which I do have in this makeup kit are so much pocket friendly, so you can also purchase those products so easily. So one by one now I am going to start what I used to keep in this kit. So first is this body lotion which is of Espa London. Its price is approx 350 or 400 rupees, but this lotion is so pretty and also its fragrance is so amazing. Even if you apply this in the morning, then also you can feel its fragrance in evening also. So I love this Espa London body lotion and I used to wear this most of the time wherever I go outside, or sometimes when I'm also in my home, then also I used to wear this. So I love this Espa London body lotion. It's turn off the second product. So I have these three creams. One is of Pond's and these two is of Lakme 9 to 5 cream. So let me tell you guys, this Pond's BB cream, this cream's color is ivory, and all the three creams which I do have different colors. So the first one is this ivory, and let me tell you its price. Its price is approx this price is 130 rupees. And this 9 to 5 Lakme cream, this color is beige color and its price is approx 360 rupees. Also this 9 to 5 light mousse, its price is rupees 480. So these are the second products, and according to the change which I need and according to my skin color, I used to apply these creams. So sometimes I apply this one or sometimes this one, so it totally depends on me and the attire which I am wearing. So sort of that I used to wear these sort of creams. Next is this Lakme compact powder, I think, which is the most important one to keep in the makeup kit. So I used to keep it there in my kit, and let me tell you its price. Its price is rupees 180. So it is essential to keep this makeup product in your makeup kit. Next is this rose water. Its price is 30 rupees, and for me this is one of the most important makeup essential. And not only the makeup essential, also you can generally apply this all the time on your face, on your skin. It has so much good benefits for your skin. You can use this in your eyes also, on your face also, your hands also, and I use this as a toner on my face before applying any makeup. So I love this rose water and it has many benefits for our skin, and I love this. Next is this iconic curling mascara which is from Lakme. Its price is 300 rupees, and this gives a beautiful look to your face once you apply this mascara on your eyelashes. So I love this, and this is so pretty product which I love. Next is this L18 Eye Drama Kajal, which is of rupees 95, and this is so pocket friendly. Anyone can purchase this eye drama kajal, and once you apply this kajal in your eyes, this gives your eyes a beautiful and an amazing look. Also you feel so attractive once you apply the kajal. Next product is this pen eyeliner which I used to almost apply every time whenever I go outside from the home. And let me tell you guys, I am not sure about the prices, like how much price I have purchased this, so I am not sure about it, so I don't know. Then I am not going to tell you this like at what price I have purchased this. And so now let's move on to the other product. Next I have this beauty blender which cost is around 150 rupees, and I used to blend all the beauty products and whatever foundations I used to apply on my face. So for that I used to blend with this beauty blender. Then I have this lipstick. This is nude color lipstick. This cost around me 650 approx, like this. And this is from Revlon, and this gives me amazing look to my face also. And I love using nude colors, so I used to prefer nude colors for my skin. And the next is this Vaseline. This is so small box. It cost me rupees 10, and this has so soothing effects. And Vaseline used to help in a lot of many things for our skin, and not only just for the skin, and many more things Vaseline helps us. So I used to keep this every time with me whenever I go outside, and even when I am at home I used to apply this on my lips. And I love using Vaseline, so I used to carry this all the time. So this is it for today. If you like my video, so don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will be keep coming back with more such kind of videos. So bye guys for this video, and meet you in the next one. Bye guys, take care.